Hold on, hun, just pose one more time.
It starts earlier than you think, when our backpacks are still bigger than we are, and continues to the day we step into the world as the people we are meant to become. We have these few short years to find our voice, to learn side by side, to grow up together. Being a Mercy Girl means never walking alone. It's raising your hand when you're not quite sure. It's thriving on the stage, on the athletic fields, in our classrooms, and in the community. It's learning how to lead, and celebrating the traditions that tie us to the ones who came before. At Mercy, you find a sisterhood that lifts you higher than you ever thought you could go. In our academics, our communities, and in the world that's waiting for us. So when the day comes to go out and make our mark, we'll be ready. Not just with knowledge, with courage, with faith, with each other. Because Mercy isn't just all girls. It's all for girls. And it's all for us.